Diyan mo ako makikita. Yung lalaki. Okay?
Nakabasa.
I'm serious.
Ano ba kayo? What you want me to do?
Nothing. I'm just asking you, please. Okay?
Lahat naman ang tinanong mo sa akin, sinagot naman niya.
Shut the fuck up.
Paulit-ulit ka, totoo kinapahirap ko. Di ba sinabi niya, lalabas niya kay next week. Tapos sila kailang, at kailang question.
Ngayon, pinago na. Walang niya.
You're broke now? Sabi mo, manlilibre ka, tapos sabi mo ngayon.
On my day.
Sabi ngayon, dahil
Oh,
pera.
it's on the video. Sabi niya,
This motherfucker not saying I'm broke, yeah? This
you're
motherfucker
talking
saying I'm
shit, you know? That's why.
broke. Check it out. Video mo, please.
Oh, what's with your wallet? Oh,
Video mo lang. Please lang, video mo lang.
puro Halifax.
Ha? Puro Halifax, pero i-video mo lang, please lang. Yun lang inihiling ko sa'yo, Ana. I-video mo lang. Halifax, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Halifax.
Overdraft.
Fuck. Okay. Overdraft? I will let you to check my money in my bank.
I don't care about money, Kino.
No, I'm not saying that's money. It's not all about money, man. It's all about...
Girl.
I was trying to...
Yeah.
Come on, man. Let's do it.
Right, motherfucker.
Tangina, wala naman sa pera yan eh. Bakit napapaligaya ka ng pera? Sabihin mo sa akin.
Siyempre naman to.
Sabi man.
Oh, yun. Sabihin mo sa akin ngayon, totoo.
Oh, siyempre.
Napapaligaya ka ng pera?
Siyempre, oo.
Ha?
Siyempre, oo.
Oo,
Hindi, ngayon.
Paano tumatay, eh?
Sabihin mo sa akin.
Hindi ah.
Huwag mo sabihin, I got loads of experience already, man. I've been on this shit.
Ang lakas ng boss.
Oo nga, ay kanina pa eh.
Si Dito magigising.
Pero sabihin mo sa
Kaya
Paling
nga
ka
eh.
naman.
Hindi ah.
Hindi ah. Oo, hindi ah. Hindi nga.
Ha? Sabihin niya, pero tangina. I've been in this shit, man. I'm ready to Rhea, you know? You feel me? Kaya sabihin nila, okay, Rhea, naging boyfriend niya. You feel me, eh? Kung maging girlfriend ko man siya, kung tumagal kami ng 5 years, who give a fuck? You give a fuck. Alright?